morning, Year 6, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. So by the end of today, you are going to be able to convert between meters and kilometers. Okay, so this is chapter 5 in your Maths No Problem books, lesson 3. So we're just doing one lesson today. Okay, so have a look at your in focus. The distance is 1.25 kilometers. The distance is 1 kilometer, 25 meters. Are the distances equal? So pause the slide and have a go. Okay, so there are a few ways we could do this, but the first thing you need to know is that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, okay? So if you are converting from kilometers to meters, you are going to multiply by 1,000. If you're converting from meters to kilometers, you're going to be dividing by 1,000, okay? So 1 kilometer, 25 meters, okay, and we're going to look at how many kilometers that is. So 25 meters is 25 of 1,000 kilometers. Remember, there's 25 meters and there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, so we've put that as a fraction. We've got 25 meters out of 1,000. All right, so it's the same as saying 25 divided by 1,000, which is 0.025. Again, think about that place value chart. There's 3 zeros. It's going to move 3 places. Okay, it's going to get 3 places smaller past that decimal point. Okay. So 1 kilometer, 25 meters is actually the same as 1.025 kilometers. Okay. So 1 kilometer, 25 meters is less than 1.25 kilometers. All right. Another way you could do it is say that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 0.25 of a kilometer is 250 meters. So 1.25 equals 1 kilometer, 250 meters, which is more than 1 kilometer, 25 meters. Okay. And then we've got this one, 1.32 kilometers equals how many kilometers and how many meters. So we know that the 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So we know that 0.1 kilometer is 100 meters. All right. Again, think about you dividing by 1,000 all the time. 0.01 kilometers is the same as 10 meters, because remember, to get from kilometers to meters, we're multiplying. All right. And to get from meters to kilometers, we are dividing. Okay, so 1.32 kilometers equals 1 kilometer, 320 meters. Okay. Okay, give your guided practice a go. Remember, 1 kilometers is 1,000 meters. All right, and check your work on the next slide. Remember, these are in your resources section as well. Year 6. Okay, so worksheet 3, converting units of length. So you're going to go from meters to kilometers. Now remember, there's 1,000 meters in kilometers. These are in your resources section. Give them a go. Okay, so here are your answers for your worksheet 3. So remember, meters to kilometers, we're dividing by 1,000. So you should have 0.006, 0.022, 0.36 and 1.543. Now from kilometers to meters, you are multiplying by 1,000, okay, which is how you get those answers there. All right. So you're going to write the following in kilometers and meters, okay? So it's 1 kilometer and it's 790 meters, okay? 3 kilometers and 5 meters. So remember, on that 0.79, you are multiplying by 1,000, okay? And that will give you your meters at the end. And then again, you've got equal to, greater than, or less than. So it would be really, really useful if you converted them all into the same. So if you made kilometers into meters or meters into kilometers, whichever way you find easier, and then compared them first, you'd get the answers. All right. And then the longest distance between 2 London tube stations, you've got 6,300 meters, which is 6.3 kilometers, which is 6 kilometers, and 300 meters. Okay, so you have got your Tuesday challenges in your resource section. Now I'm going to let you choose your challenge, unless you're my class, in which case you need to do either the middle challenge or the last challenge. They do get harder the further you scroll down the page, okay? So if you want a challenge, give those a go. If you're not sure, just try the first one first, and then if you get more confident, try some others. All right.